be on which date?
Fifth,
It's on
5th May,
5th,
sir.
5th May. So
Yes,
you are studying in which college?
Sastra University, sir.
Acha, acha, that civil engineering boy, Sastra
Yes, sir. Yes,
University.
yes.
Vinish is from which state?
Andhra Pradesh, sir.
You're coming from Andhra Pradesh. So
Yes.
tell us about your family.
Sir, my family consists of 4 members: my grandmother, my mother, and my brother, and myself. And my mother is a housewife, and my brother is working as a hardware engineer at VVD and Technologies, Kochi, sir.
Okay, good. Now, why did you prefer joining civil engineering in Sastra University?
Sir, while I'm pursuing my +1 and +2, I'm good at geometry and calculus. So I have done a primary research on the various engineering disciplinaries. So I came to a conclusion that if I take the civil engineering at Sastra University, it would be a great experience for me, and I could lead a better future in this. So also the Sastra University is having a good NIRF ranking and having a A++ NAC aggregation, sir. So these are the reasons why I took this university.
Mhm. What is that ANAC accreditation? What is that?
NAC, sir, NAC.
What is that?
National Academic Excellence something. Sir. National Assessment and Aggregation Council or something. I'm not sure.
It is given by UGC,
Yes, sir. UGC, University Grants Commission. Yes, sir.
University Grants Commission. Good, good. Now you chose civil engineering.
Yes, sir.
What are the different subjects you learn in civil engineering? Which is your favorite subject?
Sir, I have learned structural engineering, estimation, costing and valuation, construction management, foundation engineering, traffic engineering, and transportation engineering, material testing and evaluation, and so on. So there are many subjects which I have
Which
studied.
is your
And
favorite?
my favorite subject was construction management and estimation, costing and valuation. Sir.
Construction management. And
Yes, sir. Estimation, costing and valuation. Sir.
can you please tell a few points on these two? Construction management
Uh,
and
yes, sir.
estimation. Yeah.
Yes, construction management is a subject, is a part of civil engineering disciplinary, which it gives a detail about how a engineering graduate should be in a site and how to manage the site engineers, workers, and the hierarchy of the managers, and who are the stakeholders, and and this subject also deals with the safety measurements and from the starting of the project and the timeline of the starting and ending of the project, sir. Like
Mhm.
overall management about the construction field.
Good. Then what about estimation?
Estimation, costing, and valuation is a subject which it is uh, practiced in the construction field to estimate and do the costing of a given particular building or a place. There are some methods which engineer used to estimate, like center line method and movement distribution method, etc.
Good. Very good. So, did you study the notes given to you for about Federal Bank, banking, and all that?
So some basic terms I have studied, sir.
Very good. Which bank do you have an account?
City Union Bank, sir.
Acha, City Union Bank. Where is its headquarters?
At Kumbakonam, sir. Kumbakonam, Tamil Nadu.
Acha, acha. Because you are studying in Sastra, you are
Yes, sir.
having
It
this
is
account.
mandatory to have that account, sir.
Very good, very good. Excellent. That's good. That's really nice. Do you have their internet banking or mobile banking also?
Yes, sir. I'm having internet banking and mobile banking, sir. Both I'm using, sir.
Yeah. So, what are the various services to which mobile banking can be put into use?
Like mobile banking, I can as a student I can use the City Union Bank mobile banking, which is called M Plus Bank, and I use it for transferring the money and doing the UPI payments, paying my fees, and also various transactions, sir.
Mhm. Yeah, you can also say it can be used for knowing the balance. It can be
Okay,
used
sir.
for, say, opening of new deposits like fixed deposits, recurring deposits. Okay. It can be used
Okay,
for
sir.
giving standing instruction. It can also be used for giving nomination, and it can like that. Okay.
Okay.
Very good. Now, up to what extent is interest from savings bank account exempted from TDS?
Sir, can you repeat the question, sir?
No, in the case of savings bank accounts, interest is paid. How much interest is paid now by, say, Federal Bank?
3.05%, sir.
Correct. And in a financial year, if a depositor gets above which amount, TDS will be deducted. 10,000
7 lakhs,
rupees.
sir.
10,000 rupees.
Okay, sir.
10,000 rupees. I'm talking about TDS. If a
Okay,
bank
thank you.
is paying TDS to a particular customer based on his, say, PAN number and all, they will be deducting TDS if the savings bank interest in a financial year is exceeding 10,000 rupees.
Okay.
Similarly, what is the limit in respect of fixed deposit interest? 40,000 rupees. In the case of senior citizens, it is 50,000 rupees. Who is a senior citizen?
Those, the person who is having a age of more than 60, sir. 60 plus years.
Good. Will you be able to shift to any part of the country?
Yes, sir. I'm ready to relocate myself to any part of India, sir.
What is cyber security?
Security is a term you use it to get rid out of cyber crimes and cyber frauds, sir.
Good. What are the various cyber threats available?
Credit card scams and I could able to recollect only one. Credit card scams is one of the cyber security scams.
Please go through about cyber. Please note down. Take your notebook.
Yes, sir.
Please search for all these questions in internet and get to know basic details. What is cyber
Okay.
security?
Yes, sir.
What are the cyber threats? How can we prevent them? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now tell me, what is CASA deposit?
CASA is stands for current accounts and savings accounts, sir.
So, are the bankers more in favor of CASA deposit or in favor of fixed deposits?
In favor of CASA deposits, sir.
Why?
Uh, Fixed like in the case of current account and savings account, a bank will not be in the case of current account, bank will not be providing any interest to the consumer or the re-emitter, and having service charges more in that case for the current account holders.
Then
In the
is
fixed deposit,
in the SB account?
in the SBI account, like they're going to provide a minimum amount of interest ranging from 2.5 to 3%
Now it is
interest.
3.05.
0 yes.
Yeah. In the case of fixed deposits,
In the case of fixed deposit, it ranges from bank to bank, sir. I think it's around 5.5 to 7.5%, and it will be deferred for the senior citizens. It will be 1% or something more than for the senior citizens.
0.5%, 0.5% more.
Yes, more. Yes.
Very. So you should say that the cost of funds in having CASA deposits is cheaper than the cost of funds for fixed deposits. Also, in the case of CASA also, not all the parties will be withdrawing the money at the same time. So it is more or less permanent with the bank. So it is convenient for the bank to have more of CASA rather than having more of fixed deposit, because the um, the margin on profit will be higher if we use more of CASA deposits. Okay.
Yes.
What is NPCI?
National Payments Corporation of India, sir.
Who is the MD and CEO of that? Mr. Dilip
Art.
Asbe. Dilip Asbe.
Okay.
Mr. Dilip Asbe. Now, can you tell me various platforms created by NPCI?
Uh, UPI, sir. UPI, RuPay, and also UPI Lite recently, sir.
Okay. Apart from that, National Financial Switch, Aadhaar enabled payment system, Beam Pay, NACH, National Automated Clearing House. Okay.
Yes, sir.
These are the things. So you please go to NPCI website and get to know the different platforms. There is one more important one known as IMPS. Have you heard about it?
Yes, sir.
IM,
Yeah, immediate
ah,
immediate fund transfer. Yes.
immediate payment service. What is the
Payments.
maximum amount we can remit through this?
5 lakhs, sir. As of now, it's 5 lakhs. Before it was 2 lakhs, and it was updated to 5 lakhs.
No, but you don't have to tell. Before it was 2 lakhs, now 5. Don't see, answer only for the question they are asking. Understand?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Now, if you start telling about before, it was for every question they will ask how much was it before and all that. So that is not required. Okay,
Okay, sir.
good, very good. Now, what is meant by NPA?
Non-performing assets, sir.
Why it is called non-performing asset?
Yeah. If a if a bank is having a NPA for having assets for it's not non-working assets for more than 90 days, it can be called as NPA, sir.
You should not say non-working assets. You should say if
Non-profitable.
and if in a loan account the installment is not repaid for 90 days from its due date, or the interest is also not received for 90 days, then such an account is classified as non-performing asset. And the interest accruing from such accounts cannot be taken to the bank's income account. On the contrary, bank has to provide for these these NPA accounts. Okay, very good. Now, what do you know about CBS?
CB,
Core banking solution.
core banking service.
What is that? You have not studied. Core banking solution is a software used to connect all the branches of the bank with the main server. Okay.
Yes.
The famous software for that is Infosys, Finacle, then Oracle, then TCS Banks. Okay. These things you must know because you are an engineer. Of course, you are not computer engineer. Still, you must know all these things. Okay. Please tell me what is cloud computing?
Uh, Cloud computing is a part of digital networking, which data is analyzed using cloud data, sir.
Data is stored, analyzed, and retrieved through storage in cloud. Okay.
Yes.
In internet. Good. Very good. Very good. Very good. So which mobile, sorry, which internet service provider are you using?
Geo, sir.
Geo. Yeah, yeah. Geo is owned by which company?
Reliance, sir. Reliance Private Limited.
Yeah. Who is the important person in that company?
Ambani, sir. Anil Ambani, sir.
Huh?
Mukesh Ambani, sir.
Mukesh Ambani. Correct, correct,
Yes.
correct, correct. Good. So, do you, what are the various purposes for which you are using the Geo app? Do you watch movies also in that?
No, sir. I use Geo 7 for music, sir. Basically, I use Geo 7 for music and uh, knowing my data and balance in my Geo apps.
Very good. Excellent. That's good. Very nice. Now, can you tell me some points about what are the various loan products of our federal bank?
Mm, Federal Bank provides gold loan, uh, property loans, auto loans, and that's it. I could able to recall it.
Housing loan,
Housing loan, yes, sir.
education loan, okay, agriculture loan,
Yes.
all these things they are giving. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. What is your native place?
Uh, I am from Palkonda, Parvatipuram, Manyam district, sir.
Which district?
Parvatipuram, Manyam, sir.
Oh, the name of the district is Parvatipuram.
Yes, sir.
Oh, new district. Where is it? Nearby what? Nearby which famous?
Nearby Vishakhapatnam, sir. Borders of Andhra and Orissa, sir.
Oh, that way, that way. Very good. Odisha, who is the chief minister now?
Naveen Patnaik, sir.
Good. Who is the governor of Odisha?
No idea, sir.
Who is the governor of Andhra Pradesh?
Uh, Vishwabhushan or something, sir.
Why are you not remembering Andhra
Like
Pradesh?
previous one, Nazir, sir. Nazir. Abdul Nazir,
Hmm.
sir. Yes, sir.
Hmm. Good. Who is your finance minister?
Buggana Rajendra, sir.
Good. How many districts are there in our Andhra Pradesh?
26, sir.
Very good. Now, can you tell me about a few digital products of our Federal Bank?
Uh, Federal Retail, Fed Recruit, uh, Internet Banking, Mobile Banking, UPI, and also Federal Bank is only the first bank to provide gold loans with e-points, sir.
Good. That is right. Can you tell me what all you know about Federal Bank?
uh, like Federal Bank Limited was having an headquarters at Alua, Kerala, and previously it was named as Travancore Bank. After that, Federal Bank was named as Federal Bank Limited, and Federal Bank is having 1.6 crore happy customers and around 1500 plus ATMs and 1500 plus bank branches and 552 recyclers and uh, Federal Bank provides uh, various services like internet banking, mobile banking, and also canvas the third-party products like mutual funds, insurance policies, etc.
Okay, good. Now, why do you want to join Federal Bank?
Yes, basically, banking is a safe and secure organizations in India, and banking provide good uh, compensation for the employees, and there will be good work-life balance in the Federal Bank, as Federal Bank has the hat-trick record in having a good workmanship in their company. And I choose banking because as an engineer I can be able to update myself as a I can adopt the new technologies uh, and whatever I have studied in my engineering, like the critical thinking or analytical thinking I can apply in the banking field. And the softwares which were used like software which are used like Finacle or Tata software, I can, as an engineer, I can adopt it more fastly.
Can you tell me what is your job description?
My job description given as a clerical role, and uh, I should able to face the front end customer. I should canvas the third party products. I should be a person should help the customers for various banking operations like deposits, issuing the debit cards and checks. And I should be able to uh, able to do various operations which were given by the bank or by managers.
Why have you not mentioned about doing cross selling? What is cross
Yes,
sell?
sir. Cross-selling.
What is
Cross-selling in the sense, if a customer comes to buy or to purchase a product, instead of that, if we are selling the B product, it's known as cross-selling.
no? Don't say instead of that. Apart from that, we are
Apart
selling.
from that, additionally,
Yeah,
if we sell
a
any other
person
product,
a person comes to open savings bank account. You help him open savings bank account, then request him to canvas for fixed deposit
fix it.
or
Yes,
recurring deposit, or ask him to open some life insurance policy like that. Okay.
yes, okay.
Now, can you sell a pen?
Yes,
Can you sell a pen? Pen, I will show you. This is the pen. Are you seeing the pen now?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You are seeing the pen.
Yes, yes,
Yeah. Come on. You try to sell this pen, telling the good
sir.
points about
Yes, sir.
it and
Yes,
how
sir.
you can give good service to us. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. How are you, sir?
Fine, fine.
Sir, yeah. I'm the product manager of this pen, which is which belongs to a Link company. Sir, how often you use the pen, sir?
Yeah, I use it every day. I use it
Yes, sir. Like,
most part of the day.
yes, sir. Like, this pen plays a crucial role for you, sir, as it rides very smoothly, and the texture of this pen is very smooth, and it was built by a metal body. And you are our premium customer. The MRP of this pen was 199, but we are offering for you at 149, sir. If you can use this pen for writing some novels, or you can use this pen to put the signatures. And the main advantage of this pen is it will not uh, flow the ink, like it will not spoil your paper. If you put it in your pocket also, it will not spoil your shirts.
Mhm. But you said it is made of metal.
Yes.
Is are you sure nowadays pens come in metal also? Very
Yes,
rare.
some cost. Yes, very rare, but some costly pens are they are manufactured with them.
Acha, very good. Very nice. If you are thorough with that, it's okay. But you did
Yes,
not
I'm using that
mention
pen only. Yes, sir.
you did not mention me whether it is a ball pen or it is a
Yes, sir.
fountain pen.
Yes.
Tell me.
Yeah, it's made up of a ball pen, sir.
Ball pen. Acha, acha. In your college, they permit you to use ball pen or fountain pen.
For exams, it is mandatory to use the ball pens.
Oh, very good. Very good. Excellent. Then, what are the uses of a black lead pencil? I
Uh,
want you to tell
okay.
me 10 minimum uses.
Yes, sir. We can use a black lead pencil for drawing, for writing, uh, uh, for drawing, writing. We can use that pencil to play. We can use that pencil for scratching. We can use that pencil to put it on our pocket. We can use that pencil for uh, 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 for
Hmm.
for writing, for drawing, writing, and also for scribbling, for doing some rough work. uh,
Hmm.
we can use the pencil uh,
Hmm.
uh,
Hmm.
So that's all I could able to.
Why are you not coming out with new ideas? A pencil can be used for, say, you can
As
put
the playing.
thread over that. Then you can use it, as you said, for scratching our head or scratching our back or scratching the back of another person, hitting at the other person. It can be used to burn. It can be used as a gift. It can be used for giving advertisement on that. Okay, like that, so
Yes.
many uses you can tell about
Yes.
black lead pencil. Okay,
Okay, sir.
now in your campus recruitment for civil engineering, which big companies are coming?
As of now, only L&T Private Limited has came, sir.
L&T has come. L&T, how many people did they take?
Only three, sir.
Acha, oh. Or those three are top rankers or middle rankers?
No, sir. They are not top rankers. They are average students.
They are average only.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why did you not get selected in that? Did you try it
Sir,
or
I
no?
have. Yes, sir. I have tried, but I could not able to clear the written test.
Oh. Why was what was the type of questions asked in the written test?
Completely core and arithmetical reasoning, sir. Regarding of
Oh,
core.
core civil
Yes,
engineering. Acha,
yes, sir.
why did you not study civil engineering, that core subjects? You were not remembering them properly.
Yes, sir. I'm remembering, but it's a kind of tough competition to get that, sir.
Oh, very good. Excellent. Now, why earthquakes take place and what are the places where there were major earthquakes recently?
Major earthquake was happened at Turkey, sir, recently.
Hmm. Hmm.
And earthquakes takes place due to sir, I'm not aware of how why earthquakes are.
No, but I think it is your subject only. Is it not
Disaster
you?
management was not involved in our civil engineers.
Pardon?
Like, disaster management was not there in our civil engineering, sir.
Mhm. The tectonic plates are always slowly moving, but they get stuck at their edges due to friction. When the stress on the edge overcomes friction, there is an earthquake that releases energy in waves that travel through the earth's crust and cause the shaking that we feel. This is the question. I'm sharing it with you about earthquake. What are the five main causes of earthquake? Please read this.
The main causes of earthquakes are the movement of tectonic plates, volcanic eruptions, underground explosions, induced quaking human activities, etc. Apart from these three, these earthquakes can be caused by number of geographical factors, natural phenomena, and human activity.
Good. What are the five biggest earthquakes that happened? Of course, these are all very old ones. Valdivia, Chile, then Alaska, Indonesia, Japan, Russia. But the latest one is what you said rightly, Turkey. Good.
Yes.
Now, which is the famous construction company in India?
L&T, sir.
Larsen and Toubro.
And
What
yes.
do you know about it?
Yes, sir. It is a leading company in India, and uh, the
Okay,
Statue of Unity was constructed by L&T in our region. The prestigious project called Polavaram is also constructed. They are taking a part of construction in that. Sir, L&T is a leading company with uh, having around 5 lakh crore turnover. Sir.
good. Now, can you tell me near your home place, any major constructions are going on?
Major is not going. No, sir.
Not major constructions are
Yes, sir.
going on. It is okay, fine, excellent. What are
Like
your,
Polavaram will be the major construction in our localities.
very good. What are your hobbies?
I used to do the graphic designing and listening to music, sir. More often, I listen to music, sir.
Which Telugu music or some other music?
Telugu, sir. Telugu
Telugu.
music.
Who is your favorite Telugu singer and also music director?
Music director was Keravani. My favorite Telugu singer was S.P. Balasubramanian.
Good, good, excellent.
He
SP
used to
Balas,
sing many God songs and melodious songs.
melodious songs, very nicely, especially Sangarabharanam songs and all, very nice.
Yes.
Very, very good. Who is replacing SPB in Telugu cine field nowadays? Who is singing in his place?
Sir, many youth has came forward, sir. Like
But
exactly
out
no
of,
one can take his place. Even Ravi Chandran or Hamachandra, these are the famous singers who are singing now, sir.
very good. That is right. Now, can you tell me about the total deposit of our Federal Bank as on 31st December?
Total deposits, no idea.
2 lakh crore. I have given you, na?
Yes, sir.
I have given you in the material provided to you. In the material provided to you, I have given here. Now I have changed that material. On top of it, I have added the questions asked today in Karnataka Bank interview. But here I have given you total deposits 2 lakh crore, total advances 1.71 lakh crore, net profit 803.61 lakh, 803.61 crore. Okay,
Yes,
very good. So are you working in NCC or NSS?
sir. I'm working in Score, sir. Like it is kind of like how NCC and NSS works. I'm a head for Score, which stands for Sastra Community Outreach Programs.
What are you doing there?
I was the head. I'm leading some of the like some of the workshops and some of the events, like planting the trees and uh, giving some lectures in government schools and also.
On which topics did you give lecture recently?
Recently on like about e-waste, sir. E-waste.
About electronic waste. Very good.
Yes.
You talked in Tamil or you talked in English?
English, sir. Like inside the campus, I used to talk in English only, sir. Outside the campus, some other Tamil people will lead my position, and they will be going to government schools and explaining about that. And we'll be conducting some competitions among the students, like quiz competitions on GK general knowledge, to just improve their knowledge, and we will know the standards of the schools, and we'll be preparing a report, and if possible from our management, we will do some help to them, sir, if it is necessary.
What is electronic waste? How India is
uh,
managing it?
Electronic waste is a waste which is generated by electronic products. For example, uh, 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 a used phone can be called as electronic waste. A used battery can be called as electronic waste. And instead of throwing into dustbins and all, it will not decompose into the uh, ground easily. So it will take some hundreds of years to decompose. And instead of that, this e-waste can be recycled or reused, sir.
Hmm. Managing electronic waste in India. E-waste management techniques in India, land filling. This is the most common method of electronic waste disposal. Then incineration, a controlled combustion process wherein e-waste is burned in an incinerator unit around 900 degrees to 10,000 degrees Celsius, then recycling. So you please go through these questions. What is the solution for e-waste problem in India? How do I dispose electronics in India? Then is e-waste banned in India? The import and export of hazardous and other waste is regulated under the Hazardous and Other Waste Management of Transboundary Movement Rules. Government has banned import of e-waste in the country by e-listing e-waste in the Schedule 6. See, now we cannot import e-waste. Otherwise, if e-waste is allowed to be imported, people may import from other developed countries. Then is e-waste recycling profitable in India? The business involves a complete steps related to e-waste, from picking or collecting e-waste from different places to recycling them and making them useful in particular cases. The e-waste generation in India is very high. So the business is one of the most profitable businesses. Very good. Anything else you would like to tell me now? Excuse me,
Yes.
Vinish. You answered
Yes, sir.
very well. You answered very well. Have you taken your second interview also, or you paid
No,
for
sir. No,
only
sir.
one interview?
No, sir. I have paid 405. I should yet to take the second interview, sir.
Which date you want?
I'll be taking on tomorrow at this time, sir.
Tomorrow, 7:30.
Yes, sir. Like it's flexible, sir. It's your wish, sir. Which time, if you are comfortable, I'm okay with that.
I'll make it 7:30, no, or 7 o'clock. I'll put it as 7,
Okay, sir.
and you come, then we will see. Thank you.
Sir, what are the topics I'm
No,
lagging
but
in? And
you know it now. Some of the basic banking topics and all,
yes,
you
sir.
could not answer me. CBS and all that, you could not answer. You are not
Total
prepared.
deposits of Federal Bank also.
Yeah, and you could not prepare on banking also fully well. Why? Time leda meeku? Entuku samay leda?
Sir, I'm fully packed up with my project and also.
తెలుసు కానీ కొంచెం రోజు దానికి స్పెండ్ చేసుకోవండి. అలాగ చేస్తే ఇది
Sure, sir.
బాగా యూజ్ అవుతుంది. కానీ యూ ఆల్సో గో త్రూ లేటెస్ట్ న్యూస్ పేపర్ రిగార్డింగ్ యువర్ ప్లేస్ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ అండ్ ఆల్ దట్. దట్ విల్ హెల్ప్
Okay.
యూ అ లాట్. ఓకే,
Okay, sure, sir.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Okay, sir. And the other guy also, like I think he texted you, sir. His name is Sairam. He's from our university, only, sir.
యా
He's
యా
also going
టేకింగ్
to
అచ్చా
have an interview on 5th, sir.
అచ్చా అచ్చా సాయిరామ్. ఓ, he has already booked with me or not?
Yes, sir. He said he texted you, but I don't know what happened.
What is, can you tell me his first 5 numbers of his cell phone? Only 5
Just
numbers.
a second. Okay, sir. 939025.
One minute, 1 minute. 1 minute. I think it must be there. Anyhow, let me check it out. 93.
902.
Oh, only 5 will do. Yeah. 1 minute. He has already paid money and all that. Yeah. He has joined on 1st April itself. That, what is his name? SNR, Sairam, na?
Yes, sir. His name is
SNR. What?
Yes, sir.
But he is not at all coming to me. He paid money.
Yes.
Did he take a mock interview? He is not at all coming, Baba. He is not preparing.
Yes.
He is not preparing properly because he has taken some dates and he has not come to me and all. That is the problem. I don't know why. Why is he not coming? Anyhow, if he is there and if he is interested, ask him to contact me. No problem.
Okay, sir.
And if he is interested in taking interview, but only after study, your preparation is also not adequate. You have to prepare something more about banking, about your own field. about current GK and all that. So you must read more. Okay.
Okay, sure, sir.
Very good. Thank you. Don't
Thank
worry.
you, sir.
I will give you 8.5 out of 10, but I want
Okay,
you to score 9.5 out of 10.
sure, sir.
Thank you.
So then it is better to take tomorrow or day after tomorrow, so that if I take day after tomorrow,
You can
I'll
take
get
day
that.
after tomorrow also.
Okay.
Day after tomorrow, shall I make it 6:30 p.m.?
Yes, sir. Please fix it on
Your
6:30.
college will be over.
I should manage, sir. Like, I can manage for 1 day.
And if there is any delay in that, please message me half an hour beforehand.
Sure, sure, sir. Sure, sir.
Very good. Thank you. You did
Okay.
well, but you can do still better.